Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display sold out on shop and archive pages if you have no existing out of stock badge in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we will add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see text sold out, so you can add your text here instead of sold out. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So you can add your custom text here instead of sold out. Now we are going to add some CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now add CSS and you'll find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see padding, text align, background color, border, color white, font weight, position absolute, top, right, font size. So you can do CSS setting according to your requirement and then click on publish. Now you see class dot sold out. Now back to edit snippet. Now you see class sold out. Now go to shop page and refresh the page. Now you see sold out batch on product. Now you see out of stock product. So you can add your custom text here and you'll find code in video description or in comment section. Now you see, so you can add your custom text here. Also you can customize CSS according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.